Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from northerly island to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 2:15 a.m. At 12:41 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chicago to Joliet, moving east-northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots or higher. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.